Hey, hey, hey. Welcome to another episode of Prabashi Potpourri, where you say and slay it with me, Snigdha. This episode is extra special. We talk about love, life, and everything beautifully messy in between. Yes, you heard that right. Today we have two beautiful, fabulous humans with me who not just have rewritten the rule book for love, but they have built a new world around it with diapers, with giggles, and with everything that you can think about. And you know what? The best part is, we just talk about love as in love. This is something so different which refused to fit in a box. That's what we're going to talk about today. And with my two wonderful guests, they will tell you how you see love in so many different angles and myriad moods of it. So here welcoming my wonderful two beautiful partners, parents, and pioneers of love. Can I put that
Oh
way?
God, that's
Saugata and Mayank. Welcome to Prabashi Potpourri.
Thank you for that.
So I
And
think,
Saugata must be knowing what is Prabashi because we two are definitely Prabashis. But Mayank becoming a part of the Prabashi love story is something that is amazing to meet you guys. Welcome, welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
So, first of all, of course, I always tell people whoever come on my podcast channel, I said, hey, Baba, this is not an interview. It's just a conversation. We're going to nail it, have fun, whatever calls for it. So, first, let's talk about the good things, है ना? फिर उसके बाद देखेंगे, you know. So, I'm sure everything is good, but tell me very honestly, who was the one who made the first move to दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ देख रहे हैं, but who fell in love?
I'm just
First.
thinking that, what would qualify as the first move.
Okay.
So, and
I can
depending on
tell, I
that,
can answer.
He has vivid memories, looks like.
yeah,
Huh?
absolutely. Go ahead.
Huh.
So, we actually met on Planet Romeo. That's a gay website which used
Planet
to be
Romeo.
Planet Romeo.
Okay.
So that was a gay dating website.
Okay.
We are from the website era.
I know.
So I think I got a request from you.
See, that's what I wanted to know. Who made the first move?
Yeah, I
This is
think-
called the
yeah.
first move.
Yeah,
the first move.
yeah.
So
That
he-
is
Now
he
you
the-
sent
know.
me
Now
the-
you know
that-
what is the
okay,
first
yeah,
move, na
message.
Saugata?
Yeah, his photo was very cute. His
Very
DP photo
cute.
was very cute, and we still have that. Today we
Oh,
laugh at that
nice.
photo, but it was
Yeah,
very
that was a college.
college photo with a sunglass and all.
Okay. So now you know what's the first move, no? Saugata?
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
made the first
Yeah.
move. So he very
After that,
vividly
also there are
remembered.
many moves which I was the one who made. So now continue with the story and
हाँ,
share
अब
that.
बताओ कि how did this all happen? Like, okay, he made the first move where you met at a dating website. He sent a message to you, a request rather. I'm very sure कि you would have received many requests with the cuteness that you had. Now that I get to know Saugata, so
I think we exchanged numbers.
अच्छा.
बात हुई, and then we started talking much. Then I was here on a Diwali.
In Bangalore.
Bangalore. I was
Acha.
staying in a PG then.
He just moved with his first job to Bangalore.
Yeah.
and when was this? Which year was this?
2012.
though?
2012.
I think it was
When he
September
was living
2012.
in Murgesh Palya with his parents. So
Okay.
I used to work in Bangalore and I had a small setup for myself.
Acha.
And
So you were already working,
I
and
was
he
already-
came with the job
He
to
came with his
Bangalore
first job.
way
Yeah,
back
yeah.
in 2012. That's
Yes,
what. Okay.
yes.
ठीक है. And that's after that you was this website thing happened or
no,
before?
so of course,
after
the-
moving to Bangalore only,
Huh.
that all happened.
also that was an era when Article 377 was live and kicking. So for all
Yes.
the queer people,
Yes.
that was the place where they would find other queer people online, and then you will go ahead and meet.
Okay.
Of course,
Okay.
we'd also
So
explored
how
ourselves.
open
and-
was that website though? I
it was very
was
open.
it still?
It was very
Huh?
open. That was
Okay.
very open.
So
I think
that wasn't the problem.
That wasn't
Okay.
the problem.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so that's where we met and started talking. And yeah,
So
go
I
ahead.
think he called me a couple of times when I was in a bus traveling from office to PG. Then I told
And
him,
every time he said that I will call you back, and he did.
call you back later. Then I didn't call. Then again on
See,
Diwali,
he's admitting
he
it.
was.
Oh yeah, better has to. There's no room for lies here.
He again called me on Diwali, I think, for a movie.
No,
Or you were going
I
for a
was
movie?
going for a movie, and
Okay.
it was
He again just called for a chat, and then again I was busy preparing for an exam, so I didn't again call him back. And then I think then we started chatting on messages and all. Then my office was shifting uh, towards where he was staying.
Okay, so
So he
near Murgesh Palya.
near
Yeah,
Mukesh Pally. So
Okay.
he offered me a place to stay.
Okay.
And that time I went to my hometown, and then I came back to Bangalore during that time.
During that time, and you
So-
then you shifted.
Yeah, then he offered me a place to stay, and then I'm staying with him since then.
No, I think I see. This is one thing that I always correct whenever he says this, and I'll correct again. He says that I'm staying with him. It is we
Alex,
are staying together,
together.
right? So
ये क्यों
yeah.
है? Why? I mean, this actually makes him feel कि obligation वाली बात कर रहे हो,
बिल्कुल।
थोड़ा favor किया
हाँ,
नहीं।
इतने सालों बाद,
इतने
like,
सालों
what,
बाद
who's
भी आप
staying with
यही
whom?
बोल रहे हो यार।
Like, we are all
Correct.
staying
You
together.
should
Just came
change the
out,
statement. ठीक है, so आज प्रभाशी पॉटपोरी से इनका statement change
बदल जाएगा ये।
बदल जाएगा। We have been staying together since then.
Yes, yes. It
सही
was
है ना?
always meant to be like
बिल्कुल।
that, and it is like
It
that.
will be.
So
आगे से। Good.
and
हाँ।
so I think it was also a little I would say serendipity and things like it was meant
Yeah,
to be, and it
yeah.
happened like that. So as we were saying that I used to have a setup for myself,
Hmm.
right? And so it was a proper 2 BHK because my parents used to come and stay with me for a
Also,
couple
you
of
were
months.
not with parents, like that's what you said. I think
No,
he was with parents.
I was with my parents.
Huh.
He
Oh, but
wasn't.
you took up a place.
I took up a place
Oh,
because
all
my parents
right.
used to come and stay with me for a couple of months.
Right.
Then they used to go back to our native, stay there for a
Acha,
couple of months, and then
okay.
again come back and stay
So
with
when
me. For
I
a
was
couple of months.
coming, his parents were not there.
The day he was coming back to Bangalore after his Diwali break, day prior to that, a day before that, my parents were going back to our native again for that 2-3 months of
Acha.
arrangement.
Oh.
So I was like, great, it's a very good time for me to,
Serendipity happens, huh?
Serendipity. It was,
Huh.
of course, it wasn't love at first sight. It was lust at first sight. So, it's always,
उतने साल पहले और हाँ
और क्या होता है,
और
right?
क्या होता है, correct.
So then I thought that it's like perfect, like a good-looking, cute guy coming back to Bangalore, and I will have this place to myself, completely to myself.
Yeah.
So why not? And it was
own privacy.
yeah,
and,
it was
हाँ,
also
अच्छा.
coincidental that his office was kind of
pretty close by.
very close to
Okay.
where I used to live, and I said that let's do this. Come and stay with
Acha.
me.
Okay.
Of course, in between we had spoken, right? So I think the first time we met each other digitally, it was somewhere in September 2012,
Acha.
and this is November 24th is when we first time met each
Met
other
each other like physically. In
physically.
person.
Yeah,
Acha.
and
And how was the spark?
I think we remember that very, very clearly. I think we both remember what we were wearing, where we were
Obviously,
standing.
it's a very special day, right?
Yeah. It turned out to be one, but
Yeah.
it wasn't really. I'm sure, like we had met other guys before that, but we don't remember.
That's
much.
exactly what I was saying कि उन्होंने बोला कि बड़ा cute सा, and I do believe that 100% cute तो हो गए ही आप अभी भी हो, if I may say so. हाँ. Then ऐसा what is it that made you feel that he is the right one, or I mean दूसरों ने भी तो
That
approach किया
came
होगा ना?
at later point of time. Initially, it was like
It was like lust कि भाई चलो
like you
let's
mentioned.
explore maybe.
एक चीज वो भी थी और दूसरी मतलब there were other things also important, right? Because when we started talking to each other on phone, and हमने शायद एक दूसरे को ऑर्कुट में ऐड किया था.
Oh yeah, उस ज़माने में
हुआ
ऑर्कुट हुआ करता था, I remember.
तो हमने and then his profile picture was one with his the background
I think it was
picture.
Facebook that
Facebook,
profile picture,
Facebook or
maybe,
Orkut,
I
one of
don't-
them.
I
I
don't
don't
Either of the
remember
two,
now.
हाँ.
So, but it had a background picture which was his entire family, right? And
Okay.
that to me was very special because
Yeah, it is.
the kind of person that I am, that always is important. Family is always important, has always been important, still continues to be, and that's when we started talking. So when we
So
started
the
talking,
connect happened
connect
because
was there.
of that.
Yeah, for me it
family's
was-
trend.
it was
It
important.
was one of the
It was
reasons that
important,
pulled
yes.
you. So that brings me to the next thing. I mean, as we speak, the moment you said the word family, so obviously, I mean, 1.0 तो समझ में आ गया. अब 2.0 भी है, right? Right now, you're in a position which is like what 2012 से आज
13 साल.
25, 13 years, and you've been together for that long. So how have you actually been in this whole process of building up a family around you, especially when I get to hear that you chose surrogacy, right, to become parents. And God bless you both. Trust me, the world needs more people like you, where children are given that importance no matter who the parents are, right? That is important. I mean, and how parenthood can be important in a child's life. So that is my second, point where I wanted to discuss about. In fact, it just came in the whole passing when you said that family is important. So I just thought, why not? So Saugata, you have to tell me this: ki, what made you choose surrogacy to be parents, or what made you think about a family?
Yeah. So I'll take a step back to come to that question. So we started living together. I think we started living together from the first day that we met physically. Right, so it was 24th November 2012.
Wow.
Right, around
Wow.
2:33 in the afternoon.
Oh,
That's
wow.
when we met.
That is something.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
2:33 in the
I
afternoon.
picked him up. No, it was then I came back and then we
अब now
stayed
Mayank is
for a
thinking
while
कि
and
ये
then we
सही था क्या?
went back for the dance class and I had a dance class to go to. He was at home. So I picked him up from in Domlo, the Leela Palace. There's a bus stop there and I picked him up from there, and I used to live in, people who know Murugesh Palya, they'll know that it's very close. So I think the way we started living together, and we 5 years into our relationship, and ceremonially, right? I think the start of our relationship was when we met each other, and we decided to kind of deactivate our profiles.
That is the first thing.
That was the
Yes.
that is what.
So there's a
marked-
commitment. I think that's
that was
the
the
sign of commitment.
Correct,
हाँ,
correct. And it
I'm
happened very early. Like I think a couple of weeks into
हाँ.
living together,
No,
we
because you probably had this similar kind of focus, like
value
ठीक है, अब
systems.
done, we are done. ये
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
मिल गया,
नहीं,
अब और क्या
भी-
चाहिए?
उतना भी नहीं था actually, to
क्या,
be very
you were
honest.
young, right?
हाँ, very young, right? So he
Imagine.
was 23 something,
Fire
I was
and-
27
हाँ,
something.
हाँ.
So I think it was not that, not that we've had enough, but just that something worked out, right?
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
something which told us that this is worth an effort, worth a
Yes,
try,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And that's where it started from. Like nobody gets into a relationship thinking that one, it will break the
Yeah,
next day.
right.
Equally, to be honest, nobody
Whatever-
thinks that it
whichever
will last a
relationship for that.
lifetime,
हाँ.
right?
कोई
Things
भी
evolve
उस-
as
yes.
as you go
हाँ.
ahead.
Because there's so much in between.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think that's how we started our relationship. It's 5 years down the
Ah.
line, we came out to our sisters first. They accepted us. A year later, I think like with 6.5 years into our relationship, we came out to our parents.
So I was really, see, I also come from a generation where these things were a taboo, right? Like let's accept the fact
Yeah,
that भाई हम लोग ऐसे country में हैं
It
जहाँ
was
पर
a criminal
अरे
thing to do.
हाँ, अरे आज भी despite everything there are still eyebrows being raised.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we still are not in that world where you can just but much better place
Much
right
better
now,
place,
much
much
better
better
place. But at that time, so going back to where you were talking about, when was it that both of you, to your respective parents, did you go individually? Did you go together? क्या था? I really want to know this. This is I'm just being curious on this though.
So
Because I want the viewers to know कि अगर ऐसी
Yeah.
problems जब उनके life में उनको लगता है कि मेरे को challenge लग रहा है, तो क्या करे, कैसे करे? Maybe it's a tip, ना?
Yeah, so first thing first, I think everyone's coming out is very different, unique, and so there is no one thing that fits all. And it is also, we always say that coming out is not something which is absolutely necessary.
Yeah.
Do it when you feel you are ready. Do
Yeah,
it when you feel the
right.
people
Yeah.
around you are
You have to be
they're
ready. Yes,
So it's absolutely a
Said
personal
that.
thing, and the
Yeah.
journey is also very unique.
Yeah.
We just sharing what what we did,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
And if that
Yeah.
kind of
Helps
people,
somebody, you
of
never
course,
know.
of
Yeah.
course. So yeah, I think 5 years into our relationship, my elder sister lives in the US, and I was visiting them, and we went back. I went to US thinking that I'll come out to my sister at this time.
Okay, so that was the first time
That
you
was-
thought
that-
of.
yes,
Okay.
and it was January 2016.
And
2017.
It was 5 years
Into
you
our
were
relationship.
confirmed with yourselves.
Yes.
You knew, you're sure about
Yes.
it. हाँ.
And our parents, our family had also seen us living together.
Oh, they
while
had?
yeah. So
Okay.
so
But they didn't probably.
they probably
you
they didn't.
don't know. You
Probably
don't
they
know,
didn't. And I
really.
think later when we came out to them,
So they
it
kind
became
of-
very clear that they actually didn't.
They didn't react?
They didn't react.
Oh,
No,
wow.
they did
They
react.
did.
But I think when we came out to them, we came to know that they had not anticipated this.
Okay.
Right? Because I'm from Jamshedpur, he's from Modinagar, UP. Very, very small town people.
Conservative towns,
Very
yaar.
conservative towns. हमारे parents को ये चीज के बारे में पता ही नहीं था कि there can be love between two same gender
exactly.
people. Right? To be very
मतलब वो
honest.
knowledge and awareness भी तो नहीं थी.
उन्होंने देखा भी नहीं,
Oh
आसपास
gosh.
सुना भी नहीं,
Must
उनको
have been
पता ही नहीं था
what a
ऐसी
challenge.
चीजें
I'm
होती
just kind of, see, I'm getting goosebumps thinking what you would have gone through, you know,
Yeah.
that phase of your life.
So, and so a large part, our friends who've been friends with us since then, a lot of them actually say that it's very surprising to see our journey today, because back in the days we used to say that we will never come out, right? Because we'll always be what we are. Maybe
Okay.
we'll stay.
That's what you had decided.
Yeah, because
You thought क्या फर्क पड़ता है, जरूरत ही नहीं है.
जरूरत ही नहीं
Yeah.
है. एक बात वो, और
बट कभी
दूसरा-
ऐसा नहीं लगा कि जब पेरेंट्स टिपिकल इंडियन फैमिली में शादी की बात करेंगे, नहीं मैं मतलब
करेंगे ही,
ऑफ हैंड
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन,
करेंगे ही.
तब आप कैसे हैंडल करोगे ये
I
नहीं
think
सोचा
we'll
कभी.
cross the bridge when we'll reach the bridge. वो वाला
correct.
approach था.
वो वाला approach था.
Right,
Okay.
and we always thought that we'll stay away from where our parents are, so that
So,
they
okay.
continuously
ये
don't
सब
nag
वो,
us.
हाँ.
Right.
और वो मैक्रो मैनेजमेंट वाला कि क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ जा रहे हो, कौन है,
जरूरत
क्या
नहीं
है.
करेक्ट.
हाँ.
और दूसरा ये भी था कि वो कभी
एक strategy
समझेंगे
play
नहीं.
किया तब
वो
बस.
कभी समझेंगे नहीं, उनके तो ये
फायदा
समझ
क्या?
के बाहर है, तो उनको शेयर करने का फायदा नहीं.
हाँ, जरूरत ही नहीं.
But then cut to 2017, we came out to our sisters. I came out to my sister. I was
You
in
did
the
to
US,
your
to
sister?
his sister.
Yeah.
Okay. She's
After
older than
some
you
time,
too?
yes.
Acha.
So, and then our sisters, of course, accepted us very easily.
They will, because again generation gap. You see that?
But surprisingly, and we'll come to then, a year later, we came out to our parents as well. Of course, parents took a little longer. His parents took, of course, we came out separately.
हाँ,
Right? He came out
individually
to his
Okay.
parents. I came out to my parents. One interesting thing is my parents have been living with us from I think couple of months into our relationship, they've been living with us. So 2012 November is when we met, we started living together, and as I said that they were supposed to come back,
yeah.
they come back in January, February. My dad had a very serious health scare in February 2013. And so we had to both of us, and that was one thing about him, that during that health scare, when I came to know that he has this scare and I'll have to travel down immediately from Bangalore to Jamshedpur, and we were living together, I asked him that would you want to come with me. I think he took less than 2 minutes to say yes, and after that we were there
That shows.
Yeah, that
how
showed
much of
that was
love.
a lot, that
Yeah.
meant a lot for me
Yeah,
at that
yeah,
point.
of course. Yeah.
And so both of us were at the hospital 24/7, and we had to go through a lot of things, but then eventually we brought back our parents with us, right?
Achha.
My parents with us, and they've been with us since then.
Ever since. Okay.
So when I came out to them, I think my parents reacted a little less. They were of course reacted a little less. His parents took a little longer, right? And that is also because his is a joint family, Punjabi
So what were the
family.
main challenges, Mayank? मतलब what was their whole? आपने पर बताया.
Yeah, I came out to my mom.
But first you told your
when I
sister,
was-
right? You said.
Yeah, first to my sister.
So did she
accept-
help you in approaching to your
Yeah,
parents? कभी-कभी
no.
ऐसे होता है ना, हम लोग
She was
via
like-
media जाते हैं. कभी होता है. I'm just.
वो
saying.
हुआ बाद
She
में.
helped in the journey
हाँ.
in accepting them.
हाँ.
But initially I came to my mom when I was visiting my hometown.
अच्छा.
So, and she was actually asking me to marry.
That's what.
Yeah.
वही तो मैंने बोला ये हुआ तो
Yeah,
कैसे
so
करोगे आप?
in one conversation I told I'm gay.
अच्छा.
So then she was in a state of shock for some time, and then she was like thinking like I've seen you guys together,
Right.
and why were you locking the door while sleeping?
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Then
for
all
her
those
is, no, she
thoughts
was a,
come to
now
her
she will
mind.
start
Relating
doing 1
all
plus
those,
1
yeah.
plus 1. ये सब जो मैंने देखा था, it's leading here. Yes.
Yeah, but it took some time. My sister
Yeah.
helped in the
Accept करना
journey.
एक-
Yeah, my brother-in-law
We have
helped in the
to
journey.
give it to them, yeah. We have to understand.
It's a journey for them also,
Yes,
because it was an alien concept
Yeah.
for them. My father was finding it difficult to accept, so I didn't tell my father directly. My mother told me.
Told him.
And that after some time.
Yeah.
So
Just
after,
imagine
after
what
some
they
time.
go through.
Yeah,
Can you
see,
just
I think
imagine
one
what
of
they
the
go
things,
through?
Snigdha, which we have always believed in, right? So, of course, it took us time to accept ourselves,
Huh,
right? So we
yes,
came out
yes.
to them, when I was 30 plus, he was in the other side of 20,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so it took, and we always knew, like, of course, people, we you knew about your sexuality
Yes.
when you turned puberty,
when you're,
right?
you're
When you
just
hit puberty,
when you're
right?
just about your start of your teen and you know
Yeah. So
your
same is with
orientation.
us. So
of
when
course.
somebody asked us, when did you find out that you were
Huh.
gay? We say that when did you find out that you were
Exactly,
straight,
it's the same
right?
thing.
So
It's the same
that's
thing.
the
It's the
same
same
time,
concept,
right?
yeah.
So it took us almost like 15 years, 16
Yeah,
years to
because
actually accept ourselves.
yeah.
And then if we expect that we tell our parents and our
And they
parents
will
accept us
do
in
it like
15
a nahi
minutes,
hoga.
that's not going to
That's
happen.
But that's a
right?
beautiful thing,
So
that you have empathized as to
Absolutely.
their
we
feelings.
gave them time.
Yeah.
I showed them couple of episodes which
Yes.
were there out online.
Yeah.
Satyameva Jayate was one
Yeah.
serial.
Yes.
There was there a
So,
couple of episodes on that.
And my father also went to some doctors, some good ones. So that also helped
Yes.
him understand. So
See,
all those things helped. Yeah.
counseling helps,
So, see,
talking helps, and
one of
meeting the right people helps. Yeah.
One of the things which we've always believed in and we still feel very proud about is that while our parents are from those small towns, no exposure
that
to this,
generation.
yet they well, of course it was a shock for them, right, that their only sons are gay, right? In many cases क्या होता है ना कि like we are accepting of things but as long as they are not happening in our homes,
हाँ,
right?
वो
मेरा
बात है।
पड़ोसी गए है तो
खुद के
चलता है,
पड़ोसी
मेरा
चलेगा,
बेटा
because
नहीं
उससे
होना
मेरा
चाहिए,
क्या लेना देना,
right?
ऐसा हो
And
जाता है।
we project ourselves as progressive and accepting as long as it's not happening in our own homes.
Exactly.
right?
That's
किसी
not
का
being
डिवोर्स हो गया
progressive.
चलता है, क्या है
क्या?
नहीं
हमारे
पता,
घर में हुआ तो फिर
हमारे घर
बस।
में हमारी बेटी का डिवोर्स हो गया
ये
तो
तो
प्रॉब्लम
बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई,
that's how the world
Yeah, that's exactly
behaves,
what I
and
was
that's
telling
right.
you, yeah.
So for them to actually come to know of this concept and yet come to know of it through their own sons in their own homes, it was a big shock, right?
But I think what I appreciate, coming from the horse's mouth is always better than somebody coming and telling,
Correct.
पता है आपका बेटा,
Correct, हाँ.
but that is like that, the chugli
Because
thing
वो
which
मसाला अलग
happens.
लगता है
वो
उसमें.
अलग, उसमें तड़के, इतना तड़का, but this is the best thing that you guys have actually done.
and
You took that
and
decision.
what we say is that every coming out story
हाँ.
has an acceptance story,
That is true.
right? And our parents, what they were going through was an acceptance story,
Yes.
journey,
Yeah.
where his dad was going and consulting doctors, trying to
Trying
get
to
all the assurances
out,
that it's not a
understand.
bimari and it is not it's
Right.
not something, right? Of course, and
And
they,
it's normal.
right,
It's normal.
Right. And
it's
when-
just how we project it.
correct. And when we were talking to them, we realized that concerns were, of course, small town, middle class, log kya kahenge, right? That was there, which was more prominent in his world because
coming from
north of India,
and especially from that belt.
correct.
If I'm allowed to say, because I'm a Fauji kid,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
when we used to be posted in the UP and the Bihar or the down north, we've seen the difference of people's culture
Mentality,
there
yeah.
versus the
South
much
and
more.
yeah.
Yes, of course.
So, and that's that small town, Modinagar, where he is from. My father-in-law is also born there, right? So, so their family is known, right? So, and being, as we were mentioning, the culture up there is very different,
is.
right? And in North
pretty
India,
conservative.
सबको ही
बहुत conservative होता है.
और परिवार में हर कोई बहुत important होता है.
Yes.
And everybody has a role to play, right?
And they'll
मामा,
also look
चाचा,
at the
फूफा,
legacy,
ताऊ.
कि ये बेटा है, फिर ये
हाँ,
हमारी
correct.
जनरेशन को आगे
और
बढ़ाएगा, फिर
only son,
हाँ.
right? So मतलब उसके ऊपर तो जिम्मेदारी पैदा होते ही पड़ जाती है कि वंश को आगे बढ़ाना है.
Yes.
Right? So that's how it is. That's how it is conditioned. So for them, for
It must have been very hard.
very difficult.
Very hard.
But what they did not do ever was they did not emotionally blackmail us.
Thank
they did
God
not
for
do
that.
any kind of
Amazing.
pressure tactics on us.
That would have.
That would have been very difficult,
No,
and they
that
didn't
would-
do it, right?
Thank God.
Throughout, they were trying to understand. They were trying to, find reasons to believe that what we are saying is actually right. And so when we spoke with them, of course, the concerns were log kya kahenge, and the other concern was like which most parents have, and today when we are parents, we understand that a little better, is that हमारे बाद अकेला ना रह जाए हमारा बच्चा. Right, so that is a concern that which I think most parents do have.
And on a given basis, every parent
Every parent has, irrespective of whether
Absolutely.
So and I think the latter part was something which they were in their minds sure, because they had seen us together for the last 6 years.
Yeah.
So वो उनको doubt नहीं था,
हाँ,
right?
कि एटलीस्ट साथ हैं.
Correct. और वो serious है. Like
सीरियस
this is
हाँ,
this is
हाँ,
not a
एक ऐसी मस्ती वाला
Random वाला.
टाइम पास फ्लिंग नहीं है कि
वैसा
जरा
नहीं
अभी
है.
करे तो कल पता नहीं कहाँ चले
Correct,
जाए,
correct.
एंड देन अगेन दे हैव टू गो थ्रू द सेम
correct,
rat
correct,
again.
correct, correct.
So
So
which is
I don't think
brilliant.
that they ever said
Had that kind of,
that doubt, right? तो
doubt
उन्होंने
in their mind.
ये जानने के बाद उन्होंने कभी हमसे तुम लोग शादी कर लो किसी लड़की से, that is
That
not
has
something
never
which never
happened.
happened, right? So तो इसके बाद क्या हुआ कि और पहला वाला जो था वो gradually लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला, I remember you know I remember an incident where me, him and his mother, we all sat down and you know we were explaining it to her that कि अगर आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो, अगर अंकल एक्सेप्ट कर ले, अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स एक्सेप्ट कर ले, तो आप देखोगे जिनसे आप डर रहे हो कि वो क्या कहेंगे, यू नो दे इमीडिएटली विल कीप शट, राइट? वो पीठ पीछे जाके क्या बात कर रहे हैं
वो
उससे
हमारा
कोई
कोई
फर्क
लेना
नहीं
देना
पड़ता.
नहीं है. That happens even today for everything and
तो
anything in
मैंने बोला
life.
कल को अगर आपकी मतलब बहू आती
हाँ.
तो भी वो लोग पीठ पीछे जाके बोलते कि लाइक काली है, मोटी है,
कुछ भी. So
नाटी
how do you,
है,
what do you
गोरी
do
है.
about that?
तो you can't stop people, right?
As long as you've accepted,
correct.
just
So I think that is something, and
which was
with-
brilliant to
with
have
time-
done.
with time
having,
they understood,
Yeah.
and yeah, then they accepted.